Alright, what we're looking at now is from a bird's eye view of Himeji Station. Himeji is an area that is west of Osaka and Kobe. There's a little police car down there. Himeji is about an hour by express train, about an hour west of Osaka, or about 35 minutes by express train from Kobe. If you ride from Osaka, the fare is 1700 yen. From Kobe, it's 950 yen. Now, I'm looking out in a northeasterly direction over the city of Himeji. What you're looking at now is a lot of hotels and department stores. And this is like the central area of Himeji, the heart of Himeji. And you can see there's a nice, beautiful green mountains in the background. You can see all these department stores, and behind those is a residential area right before the mountains. Himeji is a nice place because compared to Osaka especially, Himeji is really kind of spread out. The streets are very wide. You know, if you're in Osaka and Kyoto and Kobe, the streets are really narrow. They have to squish all this infrastructure into a small space. Himeji is a transportation hub. A lot of train lines run into Himeji. Also, the bullet train comes into Himeji, and right here we can see the bullet train pulling into the Himeji station. The bullet train is called a Shinkansen in Japanese. You can also take the bullet train from Osaka or Kobe to Himeji. Now, it's going to be about twice as expensive as taking an express train, but on the other hand, you'll probably get there twice as fast. Oh, and this bullet train is really long. But anyways, come in and check out Himeji. It's an interesting place.